morning from Cozumel, Mexico. We're excited to get off the ship today. We're gonna head to Playa Mia for a beach day and some water park fun, right buddy? So we're gonna head down for breakfast now. Well, actually we're gonna head up for breakfast to the Windjammer, and then we'll get off the ship and head to Playa Mia. So we will see you all soon. Bye-bye. Bye.
There you go. All right, we are finally off the ship. Golly. 2 days to get here from Tampa. So it's really nice to be off. It's a little cloudy right now, but it should be clearing up. Fingers crossed. So we're heading over into the port. Gonna jump in a taxi and head over to Playa Mia. We did not book through Royal. I didn't really think we needed to. Last time we were here in Cozumel, we just jumped in a taxi and went to Sky Reef. So we're just gonna kind of repeat that, except go to Playa Mia. So we kind of know what to expect, and we're gonna head over there now and see you in Playa Mia. Go in the O, Caden. Alright, so we're in the taxi heading over to Playa Mia. Yeah, I think it's about a 10-minute cab ride. But it turned out to be a beautiful day. Sun's out, definitely warm. So couldn't ask for a better day. Made it to Playa Mia. Quick taxi ride, probably about 10 minutes. Not too bad. We have 7 people, so we had to get a bigger taxi. But it was quick. Just like everybody said. So we are heading over to check in. What's up, buddy? You want to go where? You want to? What's your obsession with the Cayman Islands, bud? Because Miss Bell went there? Well, that's a totally different place to go, buddy. We can do that maybe on another trip. We'll see. He's, for some reason, fixated on the Cayman Islands. So we are coming over to check in, and then we're going to head out to the beach. So stand by. Wow, good. I'm going to get... Hey, how you doing, buddy? Push, kick. Good. Very good.
That was good, bud.
All right, big push. Go, swim. Kick those legs. Kick. Good.
Good, bud.
All right, so we just did the big El Grande slide.
Yep.
What'd you think, Mike?
It was fun.
It was good. Yeah, it was good.
You
It
could
was
really get
fast.
some good speed on there.
Yeah. Yeah, I was sloshing and sliding and up on the walls. We were trying to get the kiddos down that thing, but
Maybe next year. Maybe
so
next year.
there's no height requirement, just to be clear. However, the pool is deep that it dumps you into. I think it's like 4 feet, so they have to be strong swimmers. So the kids got to be able to, once they come out of the slide, they got to be able to swim.
Yeah, they got to be cognizant enough to pop up as soon as they get dumped in the water.
Yes. So unfortunately, the kids are too little, and they won't let them go down with us. So it's an adults only.
Yeah, for now.
So for now. So we're going to go do it again. Let's go.
Yeah, it's like.
All right, well, that's going to wrap up our time here at Playa Mia, and we had a blast. The kids enjoyed the splash pad. They went out on the ocean. Me and my son did the water bikes. Those were pretty fun, even though I had to do all the pedaling, but he did the steering, so making sure he had a job to do. That was fun. And then we did the big slides. Unfortunately, the little kids couldn't do the big slide. They have to be able to swim. The pool that it dumps you into is only 4 feet. So they have to swim, and all of our kids are not competent swimmers yet, on top of the fact that slide is actually very fast and it dumps you and it kind of disorients you a little bit. So I don't think it would have been good for, you know, a 4, 5, or 6-year-old. But hopefully, and maybe next time when they're all a little bit bigger, at least my son anyway. But we did really enjoy the time here. We had some food, the chips and guac. I can definitely recommend. But I really can't say anything negative. We were very impressed with the service, the staff, very clean, and I mean, what more can you ask for, really, when you come on an excursion? So they take very good care of this place. It is a very popular excursion, although while we were here, it wasn't overly busy. So it was really, that was really nice that it wasn't overrun with people. So we really enjoyed the time that we had here. So we are about to get a cab, and then we're going to head back to the ship and see what maybe we can do on the Radiance for the rest of the day. So we will see you back on board. I thought it was worth noting, we are down here at the port, getting ready to go back on the ship, but it is going off down here. The music's jamming, people are drinking. As you see behind me, they're swimming. So this is a good time. So if anything else, you come down to the port, you don't have nothing planned. There's a lot of shops down here. It's a good time. Have some tequila, grab some chips and salsa and guac, and go for a dip. And you really can't beat that picture behind you with the cruise ships. Absolutely beautiful. Good times at Senor Frogs. So if you're wondering a place to go, definitely lots of fun in there, no doubt. Let's get back to the ship. Mommy really wants to go in, Jake. Look how cool that water looks, nice and clear. There's no seaweed in it like over at...
There might be a little.
No, she wants to get a picture. That's what she's doing. She's got her phone. Mommy's got her phone and...
Playa Mia was very good.
It was very good. What was your most favorite part of Playa Mia?
Swimming.
Swimming. Okay. Well, there's a professional 6-year-old's opinion. Swimming. But he had a good time, so it was a blast.